Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by focusing on what players will experience first. Prepare the essentials, a concise hook, maps, and key NPC motivations so you can act quickly. Once done, tell players the tone and stakes, then present the immediate problem, a locked gate, urgent messenger, or sudden ambush. Make sure to ask quick character questions that tie them to the scene so you can leverage player investment. Move into the first encounter with clear initiative flow and a visible objective. You now handle the core of play, scene management and adjudication. Prioritize player agency by offering clear choices and consequences. When one player dominates, intentionally shift focus to another. Use pacing tools like music or a soft timer to raise tension and narrate outcomes vividly so roles feel impactful. Keep quick notes on HP, spells, and conditions. If combat stalls, reduce enemy HP or use environmental hazards to move things along. You wrap the session by resolving immediate consequences and planting seeds for the next play. Summarize what changed, award XP or mark milestones, and highlight unresolved threads. Then ask one or two players for quick feedback and what their characters will do next. If the table stalls or arguments arise, troubleshoot. Simplify choices to two clear options, pose a leading question that forces action, or shift to skill checks to break paralysis. Make sure everyone leaves clear on goals and the next session's opening.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.